Bullish Metahero cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 3 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Legend could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Metahero market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Metahero presentation. Metahero symbols and virtual items are made utilizing state-of-the-art 3D innovation that makes them look super reasonable. This permits clients to make staggeringly similar 3D portrayals of themselves or some other article they can envision. The Metahero stage gives many devices and elements that make it simple for clients to make, offer, and utilize their symbols and virtual articles. As well as having the option to make definite 3D models, clients can likewise add movements, surfaces, and lighting impacts to their manifestations. Metahero is something beyond a pleasant method for putting yourself out there on the web. It likewise has true applications in fields like design, craftsmanship, medication, and gaming. In the style business, for instance, creators can utilize Metahero to make computerized models of their attire plans before they start creation. This assists set aside with timing and cash by permitting fashioners to try out various thoughts rapidly and without any problem. What is Metahero? To make 3D symbols and virtual products for use in web-based entertainment, computer games, style, human expression, and clinical. Metahero, a deflationary genuine utility token, use an unbelievably reasonable 3D innovation. Metahero crucial examination. With an end goal to enroll the following 10 million digital money clients, Metahero is acquainting metascanning innovation with the metaverse. Legend's super sensible 3D innovation can be utilized to make staggeringly similar symbols and virtual articles, making it ideal for use across many businesses. Whether you're hoping to make another online entertainment profile, plan another game person, or foster a pivotal new clinical gadget, Legend has the devices you really want to rejuvenate your vision. Furthermore, Legend is a deflationary token, truly intending that there will be a restricted stockpile of Legends available for use. This makes Legend the ideal venture for those hoping to make an early, bold move with an astonishing new undertaking with enormous potential. Wait, don't as well. Get a few Legends today and begin constructing your tomorrow. Association. Metahero has an organization with Wolf Computerized World. The WDW Group is answerable for the making of the metaverse's virtual world. One of Wolf Advanced World's key assets is its capacity to make an interpretation of genuine information into a configuration that can be utilized by PC frameworks. The group has fostered a scope of instruments and strategies that permit them to do this rapidly and precisely. WDW is centered around conveying the innovation to make the metaverse a reality. The objective is to make a computerized duplicate of the actual world that can be communicated with, likewise to how we connect with the actual world. This incorporates porting over each of the subtleties of the actual world, from structures and scenes to individuals and creatures. WDW has been chipping away at this undertaking for over 8 years and has gained incredible headway. The group is continually enhancing and growing better approaches to catch and port information into the computerized world. With their experience and mastery, WDW is very much positioned to make the metaverse a reality. Metahero current cost. Metahero is right now worth $0. Legend has moved 0.36% as of now with an exchanging volume of $452,643. Metahero is right now positioned 565 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $17,355,202 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Metahero to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Metahero value expectations. The publicity around Metahero is just getting more grounded. Experts are foreseeing that the cost could keep on ascending temporarily, as an ever-increasing number of individuals find out about the capability of this progressive blockchain stage. Longer term, there is huge potential for Metahero to turn into a main stage in the developing field of cutting-edge 3D innovation. With its strong, brilliant agreement capacities and implicit trade, Metahero is strategically situated to furnish clients with an all-inclusive resource for all their DeFi needs. As reception of 3D innovation for Metaverse develops, so too ought to interest for Legend token. These elements make Metahero an alluring venture and open door for those hoping to engage in the crypto space. Assuming you're considering purchasing Legend tokens, make certain to do your own exploration first and consistently make sure to rehearse risk the executives. Metahero value expectation 2023. In 2023, Metahero Legend cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Legend will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Legend's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Legend will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Metahero value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 1 cent and Legend might benefit, on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. Legend is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Metahero value expectation 2025. Assuming that Metahero effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Legend coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Legend will be green in 2025. The Legend is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Metahero value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Legend cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2026, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Legend has a greatest value worth of 1 cent. Metahero value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 2 cents. In the event that Legend figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 2 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Legend needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 2 cents. Metahero value forecast 2028. While Legend is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2028. Metahero value forecast 2029. By 2029, Metahero will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Metahero value forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Legend cost in 2030 is projected to be 3 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 3 cents. And there are a lot of digital currency extends that focus on NFTs and games. However, not very many incorporate 3D examining. For this situation, Metahero gives a reaction to the question, what might it be want to infuse oneself into the web? Metahero needs to fabricate something totally new utilizing R, VR, cloud servers, blockchain, and super HD checking. What is the Metahero cost today? Today, Metahero is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $17,355,202. Is Metahero a wise speculation? Metahero ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto